Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to manage fields and forms in BoldDesk. I will show you how to add and manage ticket fields and set up ticket forms. I will also show you the activity fields and how to add and manage contact and contact group fields. BoldDesk supports several custom field types to set up forms and gather more information about your support requests and customers. It also offers configuration options for tickets, contacts, and contact group fields and forms. The following modules support fields and forms. Ticket module supports ticket forms for multiple brands. Contact module. Contact group module. They also support custom fields, configuration of field display condition, and field dependency. To learn more about setting field display condition and setting up field dependency, follow the links in the card above and the description below. First, let me show you the permissions that agents require to manage fields and forms. They must have the Manage Fields and Forms permission enabled for their role. System roles like Account Owner and Support Administrator, by default, have the permission assigned. Users with Support Manager and Agent roles do not have such permissions. However, you can create a custom role and enable the Manage Fields and Forms permission under the Admin module. To learn more about managing roles and permissions, follow the link in this video's description. Now, let me show you how to access fields and forms. I sign in to the BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin Center. Then, open the Fields and Forms module. The types of fields in BoldDesk include ticket fields, which consists of system and custom fields used when creating and editing a ticket. Contact fields consist of system and custom fields used when creating and editing a contact. Activity fields are system fields used when creating and editing an activity. Contact group fields consist of system and custom fields used when creating and editing a contact group. First, let me show you how to manage ticket fields. There are two types of ticket fields, system and custom fields. System fields are a set of predefined fields, and they are displayed with the tag system. They cannot be modified or deleted except in category, priority, and type fields. Custom fields are a set of user-defined fields that the users can create independently. To see a full list of supported custom field types with details, follow the article in this video's description. Now, let me show you how to add a custom ticket field. Select Ticket Fields to open the Fields List page. Here, I click the Add Ticket Field option, and a new field configuration page will open. Before you create a field, note the following points. The created field will not be automatically added to a ticket form. Using the Ticket Forms module, you can map the created field to a respective brand form. After creating a ticket field, you can edit the field name, but the type of the field cannot be changed. To continue, I select the field type from the drop-down list and provide a label for the Agent Portal and Customer Portal. I can specify an API name for the custom field. By providing the API name to a specific field, you can fetch or update the corresponding data. Then, enter a note in the note message and select the note message display. The configurations are common to all fields. Some field types have additional configurations. For example, when a yes or no or checkbox field type is selected, it will require the users to select a default value from their respective options. Also, a regex field type will require setting the regex value using the validation regex property. Next is the field configuration for the agent and customer portals. Here, specify the field visibility and mandatory status by checking or unchecking the options. For a detailed information on these options, follow the article link in this video's description. For a drop-down field type, the option values can be added as strings on drop-down option values section, separating multiple values using a comma. To learn more about how to manage drop-down field values, follow the link in the card above and the description below. Once all the settings are done, click Add Field to create the field, and it will be added to the list of fields. Next, let me show you how to delete, activate, or deactivate a custom field. To delete a ticket field, open the Ticket Fields section, search for a field to be deleted, click the More Actions icon next to it, and click the Delete option. On the confirmation dialog box that opens, click Yes, Delete. To deactivate a field, click More Options next to the field and select Deactivate, and a confirmation dialog box will open to review the actions that will happen when a field is deactivated. To proceed, click the Yes, Deactivate button. The deactivated field will be shown with an inactive indication. To activate the field, click the More Actions icon next to the field, select Activate, and confirm field activation. Next, let me show you how to add, reorder, and remove a field in a ticket form. Ticket forms are a collection of predefined ticket fields to use when creating or displaying a ticket and are brand specific. To add a field to a ticket form, select the Ticket Forms option to open the configuration page listing the fields mapped to the form. Next, click the Add Field drop-down option. Selecting New will open a new field configuration page, and selecting the Existing option will open the window listing field not added to the form. Here, select the fields and click the Add button. To reorder fields on a form, drag and drop a field to the desired position and click Save Changes to update the settings. Note that the custom field will be displayed in the same order in both the Create Ticket form and the Ticket Detail page. To remove a field from a ticket form, click the Remove icon next to the field. A dialog box will open to confirm your action. It will also show what happens when the field is removed from the ticket form. To move on, click the Yes, Remove button. That was all about setting up and managing ticket fields and forms. Now, let's move on to the Activity, Contact, and Contact Group fields. The activity fields are system fields that can be used when creating and editing an activity. They cannot be customized by adding or removing the fields. Next are the contact fields. They are a collection of default and custom fields that can be used when creating or displaying a contact. To add a new contact field, click the Add Contact Field button, and a field configuration page will open similar to adding a ticket field. Finally, contact group fields are a collection of default and custom fields that can be used when creating or displaying a contact group. To add a new contact group field, click the Add Contact Group Field button. Here again, a field configuration page will open. And that's it. To summarize, I demonstrated how to set fields and forms. I showed you how to add a ticket field and set up ticket forms. I also showed the activity fields and how to add and manage contact and contact group fields. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.